How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you speak English?
A little bit.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
What time is it?
It's 3:15 p.m.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Do you have this in a medium size?
Yes, here you go.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Do you have another colour?
Yes, we have black and white.
Where can I find the bread?
It's in aisle 5.
Can I get a receipt, please?
Sure, here it is.
What time do you close?
We close at 8 p.m.
Do you have a discount?
Sorry, not today.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here it is.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is very good.
Can I get this without cheese?
Yes, no problem.
Is this dish vegetarian?
Yes, it is.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, one moment.
Can I get it to go?
Sure, we'll pack it for you.
Is water free?
Yes, tap water is free.
Do you have vegan options?
Yes, we do.
Can I order now?
Yes, I'm ready to take your order.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, a lemonade, please.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's around the corner.
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight and turn left.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Does this train go to the airport?
Yes, it does.
How much is a ticket?
It's $2.50.
Where can I buy a ticket?
At the machine over there.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Can you call a taxi for me?
Yes, I can.
What time is the next bus?
In 10 minutes.
Is this the right platform?
Yes, this is platform 2.
What do you do every day?
I go to work and take care of my family.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruit and toast.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I do.
What's your favourite food?
I love pizza.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a walk every day.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What time does class start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
What does this word mean?
It means happy.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, I said. Take your time.
What's your job?
I'm a nurse.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it.
Is your boss nice?
Yes, very nice.
Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hall.
Can I go home early today?
Yes, that's fine.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, in the name of John Smith.
Where is the hotel?
It's next to the museum.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
Can I get a wake-up call?
Sure, at what time?
What time is checkout?
At 11 a.m.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
Where can I get a taxi?
outside the airport.
How long is the flight?
About 8 hours.
Do I need a visa?
Yes, you do.
Are you okay?
No, I feel sick.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Where is the nearest hospital?
2 blocks away.
Can I see a doctor?
Yes, wait here.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, to peanuts.
Can I buy medicine here?
Yes, at the pharmacy.
Call an ambulance.
OK, I'm calling now.
I don't feel well.
You should rest.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to go out?
Sure, why not?
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 6 p.m.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to the park.
Can I come with you?
Of course.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love them.
When is your birthday?
It's on July 3rd.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet.
Can we reschedule?
Yes, that's OK.
Let's keep in touch.
Yes, definitely.
I don't understand.
That's OK, I'll explain.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Sure, no problem.
What does that mean?
It means to rest.
How do you say this in English?
You say apple.
Can you write it down?
Yes, here you go.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I do.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.